tick checks are a must. Hey guys, Dr. Noah, sitting in my backyard today because I want to talk about something that revolves around being outside for the most part. Now, bugs don't really unnerve me. Spiders, ants, mosquitoes, gnats. I'm not so sure about scorpions. If I lived in Arizona, they might bother me a little bit. But I can tell you the one insect that does, and that's ticks, because they carry diseases that really, really affect humans and are awfully difficult to treat. You guys know I spend a lot of time outside running. I spend a lot of time hiking, fishing, in my garden, in my yard, walking my dog. Usually involves my family and the boys. And in the last couple of years, I've noticed a definite uptick in ticks. We found them on the dog. Kellan and I have had ticks attached to us. We found them roaming around ourselves. And we've made it a policy in our household, and I think it should be in yours, to always do tick checks. Check the intimate parts of your body, check under your arms, check everywhere. In the links below, in the text below, there'll be links for some things that I love regarding ticks. One is on my keychain. I always carry a tick key to help remove a key. If a tick, if I see one, I believe it's www.tickkey.com. And two topical deterrents that I personally love are neem from Neem Tree Farms and lemongrass from Atlantic.ca. And the links are below. You could check those out. But the last thing you want is to get a tick on you, miss it, and then get Lyme disease. I've had to help a lot of people recover from Lyme disease, and it's no fun. A lot of the ticks on your dogs are dog ticks. They don't carry Lyme, but they do carry Rocky Mountain spotted fever, Borrelia and Bardorfi, and all these kind of different spirochete diseases. So take it serious. If you have any questions, ask me. And as always, be awesome and never unawesome. Bye. And thanks for listening for my public service announcement. Bye.